Hello, my love. Welcome to Guided Affirmations. Today, we will be reprogramming our mind with powerful affirmations for self-love, self-confidence, and self-worth. Affirmations help create new thought patterns in our mind. Through repeated listening and reciting, you can create new neural pathways in your brain, building positive thought patterns and gently breaking any negative patterns. Listen to this audio every day for 21 days, in the morning or right before you sleep. Take a deep breath. I accept myself exactly as I am. I respect myself. I love and embrace all of me. I am radiant. I am beautiful. I am confident in myself and my worth. I believe in myself. I trust myself. I shine brightest when I am my true self. I am beautifully unique and incomparable to others. I love my body. I am grateful for my body and all it does to support me. All of me is beautiful. I am worthy. My worth is innate and cannot be taken away. I have enough. I do enough. I am enough. I am good enough. I am powerful. I am powerful when I respect myself. I am powerful when I love myself. I am a force. I am strong. I am brave. I am resilient. I respect my energy and I protect it with love. I prioritize myself and my well-being. Setting boundaries is an act of self-love. I love being my most authentic self. I am smart. I am creative. I am capable. I have everything I need within me to succeed. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. I am loved. I choose love over fear. I am ready to step into my true power. I release all that does not align with my truest self. I am ready to thrive as my highest self. I have the power to shape my story. I have the power to create my dream life. Take another deep breath. Repeat these affirmations every day and experience the positive changes they bring into your life, sending you love and light. Namaste.